2024 was another very strong year for Sembcorp. Our net profit before exceptional items was 1.02 billion, exceeding the $1 billion mark for the second consecutive year. Since we announced our portfolio transformation, we have strengthened our key business segments, which have delivered resilient earnings and robust cash flows for the group. Given the strong earnings outlook, the board has proposed a dividend of 23 cents per share for 2024. And this is a 77% increase from the 13 cents in 2023. This increase in dividend and a higher dividend payout ratio is a new normal, and it reflects our confidence in the company's future performance and ability to generate sustainable returns.
The high curtailment in China is a result of rapid renewables deployment, which has created supply and demand imbalance as well as constrained grid infrastructure for export. This challenge is more pronounced in the northwestern region such as Qinghai, Gansu and Xinjiang. In China, the impact has been mitigated given our diversified portfolio, which spreads across resource and location. Earlier this year, China's State Grid and Southern Grid announced plans to invest $89 billion to strengthen the distribution infrastructure. As these upgrades progress, we expect curtailment pressures to alleviate over time. We also remain selective in our investments, focusing on high-quality projects that are near load centers and regions where they are net power importers to reduce curtailment risks. We have a total gross renewables capacity of 8.5 gigawatts in China currently. Most of these projects are completed and we do not expect much impact from the renewables pricing reform. It is important to note that Sembcorp's diversified portfolio extends beyond China. In addition to our established presence, we have entered into new markets. In December last year, we successfully achieved commercial operation of the Mana 2 solar project in Oman, more than 4 months ahead of schedule. We have also completed our first solar and battery project in Indonesia and announced the acquisition of a 96-megawatt solar farm in the Philippines. Our diversified presence and expertise operating across different markets allows us to balance our risks and unlock growth opportunities based on market conditions.
Less than 4 years into our portfolio transformation, Sembcorp has built up strong positions and capabilities. In 2024, despite the planned major maintenance of our cogeneration plants in Singapore and a 34% decline in wholesale electricity prices, the gas and related services segment delivered a resilient net profit of 727 million. The long-term power purchase agreements we have secured for our gas-fired portfolio in Singapore enhances earnings visibility. In November last year, we also completed the acquisition of a 30% interest in Senoko Energy. The acquisition is a strategic fit, complementing our existing portfolio, with natural gas remaining critical for national energy security. The acquisition strengthens our ability to meet Singapore's growing energy needs while supporting its energy transition. In the renewable segment, we have grown our gross renewable portfolio to 17 gigawatts, of which 13.1 gigawatts are operational. Tapping on our development expertise, we capitalized on the strong momentum in India's greenfield tenders, securing over 2 gigawatts of hybrid bids, including our first solar and battery energy storage project in the market. We have also successfully established our presence in new markets. We remain focused on achieving our target of 25 gigawatts gross installed renewables capacity by 2028. Our integrated urban solutions segment has turned around, with the urban business performing above expectations on stronger land sales in Vietnam and Indonesia. We will continue to establish ourselves as the fastest growing and most profitable industrial solutions player in Asia. We are pleased with our performance, and we will continue to focus on our execution. The 3 growth engines of gas and related services, renewables, and integrated urban solutions will drive Sembcorp's strategic plan towards 2028 and beyond.